Para sa magulang kasi sa ating kultura hindi hindi natin napupuri din yung ating mga sarili. So yun yung parang gusto kong idagdag. Nasa PCC tips din namin kasi ito yung parenting for children in crisis na take a pause, maglaan ng panahon to pat yourself on the back na at the end of the day, araw-araw gawin mo iyon na ginawa mo yung nagpursige ka para suportahan, gabayan yung anak mo. So yun, malaking malaking tulong din yun. Something na hindi talaga din medyo nagagawa sa ating mga Pilipino. Very practical, very simple na pwedeng gawin nating mga magulang.
Yeah, I think that's important, Jess, no? What you said about patting yourself on the back. Very ano tayo eh. We're all hard on ourselves when it comes to our parenting. And akala natin lagi tayo nag-fail. Kasi laging, Teacher Tina, kulang ako sa oras kasi may trabaho ako. Binibigay ko na lang yung gusto kasi nagigilty ako. It's always on the negative. Alam niyo po, you're doing your best with what you have right now. And the fact that you are here listening to Andy, me, and Jess, it means you're interested in being a better parent. You don't have to be here, but you're listening to us and you want to be armed with more information from MAPA and from Teacher Tina to be a better parent.